Hi friends, today recipe is pomfret fry with green masala and pomfret curry with green masala. But first I will marinate the fish with green chutney. For that I took 3 pomfrets. I washed it, marinated with salt, washed it and kept it clean. Uh, For curry I have taken 2 pomfrets, washed it, marinated with salt and kept. For the green masala I will use 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 1 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 pods of cloves, 7 to 8 green chilies, 3 cloves, 4, 5 black pepper, 1 marble tamarind, half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of salt. Put this into the blender. Add little water for grinding. The paste is ready, chutney is ready. We'll marinate the fish. Marinate the fish nicely. Put the green chutney inside the fish. So the fish marination is done. We'll keep for half an hour and we'll do the other procedure. Now the masala for gravy. 2 pomfrets which I cleaned, marinate with salt. The masala, 1 bunch of coriander leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 onion, 1 marble sized tamarind, 6 to 7 green chilies, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger and half coconut. This will grind into a paste. So the paste is ready. For this paste, to grind this paste, it took me 1 cup of water. For seasoning, I took 1 onion, 1 tomato diced and few curry leaves. Take a pan, put oil. When the oil is hot, add onions. When the onion turn red, add curry leaves. Add the masala paste. Add tomatoes. Keep on stirring it. We get the masala to cook on a slow gas. Meanwhile, we start frying the pomfret. For that, I took rice flour. I'll put it in the rice flour. Coat the fish on the rice flour, both the sides. Just check the gravy masala which is cooked nicely. It has changed its color. Add the gravy water. Add salt as per your requirement. Add fish to the gravy. Once we put the fish, do not cook for a long time because a delicate fish. The fish curry is ready. Now the fish fry is on the gas. So the one side is fried, we'll turn the fish to the other side. So the pomfret fry is ready. We had kept in a slow gas so that the masala doesn't get burnt. It took nearly 10 minutes to fry the pomfrets. Hi friends, my Mangalorean fish curry, pomfret green curry is ready. With pomfret fry, rice and made a small salad with onion, tomato, cucumber and salt. Thank you viewers. Please share this recipe. Do not forget to like the button, share this recipe to your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you viewers.